Hola, me llama Onika. This Rio. Make some room, ho, keep 100 feet away. 50 trucks when I pull up, we a fleet away. You ain't on my throne, ain't even a seat away. But thanks to Nikki, all these new bitches can see the way. I got the clippy, I ain't talking about the gangs though. Had all these bitches rocking pink hair and bangs though. Now I've got them rocking inches now. But I leave these bitches hanging like lynches now. Wordplay got them stepping up they pences now. Still stick me for my flow like syringes now. Still kicking closed doors off the hinges now. Shotgun in them 88 Benzes now. With my plug I call him Pancho, but I think he wants some chocha. Put this pussy in his boca, make my niggas take his coca. Now I'm ballin' like a soca in that Lamborghini Rosa. Yelling Viva Puerto Rico, all my bitches is hermosa.
I think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me them babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but show me can you keep it? 'Cause then I'll have to keep you. So baby I'ma keep you. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. No more getting squeaky, saving up my energy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. You drink it just like water. You say it tastes like candy. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but show me can you keep it? 'Cause then I'll have to keep you. So baby I'ma keep you. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. No more getting squeaky, saving up my energy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Baby, you might need a seatbelt when I'm riding. I'ma leave it open like a door, come inside it. Even though I'm wifey, you can hit it like a side chick. Don't need no side chick. Got the night birds and an earthquake. 5 on them, not the best shit. Shut it down heavy, even though it's lightweight. Yeah, started at midnight, go till the sunrise. Done at the same time. But I was counting the time when we got it for the night. I know all your favorite spots. We could take it from the top. It's such a dream come true, true. Make a bitch wanna hit snooze. Ooh. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35.
I came out looking to party and now I'm owning that building. You bitches can't get my spot until I start raising some children. These bitches all in they feelings, can't fuck with Nikki, they know it. They know that Nikki a poet, pop me a bottle of Mo. They said I couldn't, but I did it though. Tell them I still got the hourglass figured out. Can't stop me, don't watch me. You better just watch your nigga hoe. I'm in that big boy, I am in beast mode. Respect the G code, bitches ain't got drive these, bitches that get repo. I am a monster, this is ambition. This is the type of car that you keep a bad bitch. I don't got good vision. to go against me, then you made a mistake. Yo, cause I came out 09 when promoters brought Wayne out. Lewinsky like I couldn't get the stain out. I've been bad like cutting school and staying out. I've been hotter than vacation and laying out. I sat back and watched how it was playing out. They diss me but running to take the same route. But no, they not Nikki. Wrist on ice, say yes, my wrist bricky. If I leave the game with Miss Nikki, not a website, but get money, this is 50. Pop bottles with my business and get pissy. This shit ain't got no more integrity. Don't write they raps and plus they flow shitty. Don't make me expose you, bitch, I'm too busy.
Don't write they raps and plus they flow shitty. Don't make me expose you, bitch, I'm too busy.
Hop on a Bridgie, New York City. Nicki still a queen, niggas already. Hop on a Bridgie, New York City. Nicki still a queen. As soon as I came in, I told them that I will become the greatest. Muhammad Ali, yeah, these bitches, and that can't be debated. I never chicken out skated. I know they mad that I made all this money I made. All my bitches is late. Cause I win again, cause I win again, and 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 I win again. Yeah, I win again. Can't tell me nothing about it. Your opinion isn't valid. Go against me, then you made a mistake. I'm narrow street to all these bitches. They can't do what I do. Sometimes I just look in the mirror and I be like, why you? Yeah, I know that they hate so real. So shit on my lyrics, I'ma win again. I'ma win again, yeah. I am still gonna do what he sent me to do. Let's kill everything in my way. Let's kill everything in my way. Let's kill everything in my way.
You might think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me them babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but show me can you keep it? Cause then I'll have to keep you up. So baby, I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. No more getting squeaky, saving up my energy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. Ready for that daylight. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. Ready for that daylight. You drink it just like water. You say it tastes like candy. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but show me can you keep it? Cause then I'll have to keep you up. So baby, I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee.
Used to be up high for Molly, I wasn't even trying to get rich. I know some niggas that catching my body behind a type life like this. Rap the battle, I spit my tryst. Rap the battle, I'm still that nigga. They know that they fucking with Jace. They just wanna make them a diss.